I am Amijaz Bima HVE as a Vice President of Business Development of Ava & Co. So I would like to talk about our project description. So our company is developing one programming system that fully function by using our knowledge that we gain from our programming subject, which is basic programming. Okay, so this project is consisting 5 person, and we are required to create a program that include the following C concept, which is the first one must have at least one selection statement. The second one must have at least one repetition statement. The third one must have at least one application of array, and the last one at least have two application of programmer, which is define function. So that's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Akmal bin Ismail, Chief Operating Officer of Ava & Co company. So the reason why we invent this system because our customer requires a program that improve the renting system for welding workshop in UniKL MFI. So the problem that we got from the outdated UniKL MFI welding workshop renting system are you collect data manually using a lot of paper, use a lot of space to store the document, need a lot of time to complete documenting the data given. The safety of the data when saved in the office was not guaranteed. So our program can overcome all the problems stated and making the renting system more efficient for future purposes. Thank you.
There are 4 objectives that we set for this project, which is firstly to follow up the Green Action Act, which is to reduce natural resource usage in this action to reduce paper. Secondly is to reduce data storage space. Thirdly is make the data saving time lesser and more efficient. And lastly, the data can be saved safely in the system without worry.
Hi guys, I am Iqbal and I am the CEO of Ava & Co company. I will explain to you about the system that we are making. Our system is all about how to make one system that make welding workshop renting system more efficient and user-friendly. We also creating a system that can save the time of the renting process between the student and the workshop assistant. The renting document also can be saved safely as the data being saved in the system that we have been created.
Okay guys, this is the flowchart of welding workshop renting system. Here is where we start. So we will display the welcome first, and here we will display the name and we will read the name. And at here we will display the equipment and read the equipment. So we have 3 equipment. First is welding, second will be cutting, and third will be the PPE, where is personal protective equipment. So here we will calculate all the equipment that we have choose, and here we will enter how many hours that we want to rent, and at here we will display all the total price, and we will read the cash that we want to enter, and here we will display the receipt, and lastly we will display the thank you. Okay guys, this is our coding. So this is how look of our coding. It's quite long actually. It's quite long. So here is where we'll display the equipment. So here is where the selection will be. The selection of welding equipment. Here will be the display of cutting equipment. And here will be the display of PPE equipment. So here is the receipt. Okay, I will show you how the system run. Okay, here we will choose the equipment that we want to rent. So I will choose welding, and here is the choice. So I will choose Gmao, and the quantity of equipment that I want to rent is 16. and if I want to add more equipment, I will choose 1, and if I don't want to add any equipment, so I will choose 2. And here is the total of equipment that I want to rent, where is 16 equipment, and to rent an equipment for 1 hour is 10 cents per equipment. So the hours that I want to rent is 3. So to rent 16 equipment and at 3 hours, we will be 4 ringgit and 80 cents. So I will enter 10 ringgit. And here is how the receipt look. So that's all.
Hi, I'm Adila, Head of Administrative, Finance and Human Resource, Ava & Co. The conclusion of our mini project: first, as we are growing in the era of Industry Revolution 4.0, we must fulfill the vision of the era, which is to produce online customer service to give an environmental friendly support and increase the efficiency in lifestyle. Second, we can make data saving process more efficient and may be safe for long term. Next, we can learn new things and understand how the struggle in building up one simple system C program. Last one, cooperation of every member in team was very important to fulfill the objective of the project.